Yeah, it looks like it's just passing by them. So really, they're going to start to see improvements heading into tomorrow. And for us, we'll start to see some improvements heading into tomorrow evening. So what we're watching, rough surf, dangerous rip currents, potentially life-threatening rip currents. So avoid the beach at all costs over the next few days. Wind gusts already starting to pick up as we speak. Beach erosion, especially for those south-facing beaches out toward Nantucket, as well as Martha's Vineyard. We're also watching for some potential minor coastal flooding, especially during high tide, late tonight and tomorrow. Winds starting to pick up, especially out toward the Cape and Islands. Take a look at Nantucket, gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour. That's not only thanks to Aaron, but also we have a high pressure system set up just off toward our north. So there's a nice tight pressure gradient creating gusty winds for us here in New England and out throughout the Northeast as well. So you can see Aaron is massive, and that rain shield also maybe trying to creep its way closer. So maybe a brief shower out toward Nantucket, but that rain is going to creep its way any farther north than that. Clouds for the rest of us. It's been a cloudy day, but a few breaks of sunshine. Tomorrow, more sunshine in the forecast as Aaron pulls away. So the center of this storm system well over 200 miles offshore, but it is running into cooler water along with wind shear, drier air. So it may lose a little bit of strength with the next update coming out at 5 p.m. But now this storm is booking it. It's moving northeast at 18 miles per hour. So by tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some significant improvements, especially heading into tomorrow evening. So wave heights have been building out in the Atlantic, especially along the East Coast. It's also building for us. We're starting to see those wave heights approach 10, even 15-foot wave heights. It will peak early on tomorrow morning, especially out toward Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard, just offshore. And then as the storm system starts to pull away, then we start to see some improvements as early as tomorrow evening. Now, that does not mean it will be a great beach day as you head into Saturday. We're looking at dangerous rip currents for tonight, for tomorrow, for your Saturday, and some slow improvements on Sunday, but we're still several days away, so we'll just have to see. This wind field continues to expand as Aaron continues to track its way northeast. So as far as any significant wind gusts, I think that's going to be really out toward the Cape and Islands. You're also starting to see that pick up as we speak. But winds really start to pick up late tonight heading into tomorrow morning, peaking anywhere between 40 to 50 miles per hour. For everyone else on Friday, it's just going to be a bit of a gusty day. Now, don't look too quickly. There are two waves that we're watching. Another tropical wave just behind Aaron. This has a 70% chance of development over the next 7 days. That may be our next named storm. And there happens to be another tropical wave in the southern Atlantic that has a 40% chance of development over the next 7 days. Temperatures outdoors warmer than yesterday. No 50s on the map, upper 60s, lower 70s. So some improvements. And as we head into tomorrow, it's also going to be warmer than today. Temperatures tomorrow climbing into the upper 70s, lower 80s, and that's seasonable for this time of year. Waking up to a little bit of cloud cover, especially the farther east you happen to be. But it will be a sunny day pretty much from start to finish. Saturday also looks pretty pleasant. Sunday, clouds increase, best chance of rain potentially on Monday.